Next time you fucking put a hand on me, I'm gonna fucking rip your face off, bitch.